Delicious pineapple chicken wings recipe. Let's make it. 1.9 pounds chicken wings. Cut in half. One half teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Give it a good massage. Heat the cooking oil. Fry both sides until golden brown. One cup of sliced pineapple. Sauté for 1 minute. One and 3/4 tablespoon of soy sauce. One tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix well. To tablespoon of honey. Mix well. For tablespoon of hot water. Cook over medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Ten minutes later. 1/4 teaspoon of chicken powder or magic syrup, optional. Salt and pepper to taste. Mix well. Cornstarch slurry. Continue cooking for 1 to 2 minutes. Add green onion and mix well. Done. Bon appetit! Wow, incredibly delicious!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.